Students, today we are going to learn History, chapter number 9, the Maratha War of Independence. After the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Marathas fought with the greater valor with the Mughals under the leadership of Chhatrapati Sambhaji, Chhatrapati Rajaram, and Maharani Tarabai to protect the Swaraj. This long war that lasted for 27 years is called the Maratha War of Independence. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Maharaj was born on 14th May 1657 on the Purandar Fort. He became Chhatrapati after the death of Shivaji Maharaj. From the age of 14 years, he was involved in administration and warfare. He led many attacks on the territories to the Mughals and the Adil Shah. He had mastered Sanskrit and many other languages and written Buddha Bhushanam on statecraft in Sanskrit. Aurangzeb's invention of Deccan. Invention means here attack. Aurangzeb crushed the rebellion of his son Shahjada Akbar. Thereafter, Akbar came to Deccan to take shelter with Shivaji Maharaj. Aurangzeb descended to the south in 1682 to vanquish Akbar. Vanquish means here to destroy. He asked the Siddhi of Janjira to undertake expedition against the Marathas and also won over the Portuguese to his side. Aurangzeb wanted to create a grand unified Mughal empire. He also wanted to destroy Maratha Swaraj. However, Aurangzeb found it difficult to overcome the resistance offered by Sambhaji Maharaj. Thus, Sambhaji Maharaj's valor brought Aurangzeb to his knees. Campaign against the Siddhi. Sambhaji Maharaj launched a campaign against the Siddhi of Janjira in 1682 CE. As he was harassing the people in the Maratha territory, Sambhaji led a siege to the fort of Dandarajapuri. However, he had to abandon Janjira campaign as Mughal army invaded Swaraj. Abandoned means here captured. Campaign against the Portuguese. As the Portuguese had joined hands with the Mughal emperor, Sambhaji Maharaj decided to teach them a lesson. The Marathas attacked the Revdanda fort in 1683 CE. To counter this, the Portuguese led siege to Fonda fort, which was in Goa. The Marathas overcame the siege of Fonda fort and attacked Goa. Esaji Kang showed great valor in this battle. Sambhaji Maharaj had to abandon the winning campaign of Goa as the Mughal army had attacked South Konkan. End of Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi. Aurangzeb suspended the campaign against the Marathas and turned towards the kingdom of Adil Shah and Qutub Shah. He conquered these two kingdoms. This strengthened his position against the Marathas. Aurangzeb invaded Marathas territory from all sides. Means Aurangzeb attacked all territory from all sides. Hambira Mohiti was killed in an encounter with the Mughal army. This was a big blow to the Marathas.